Hey guys, we're back to show you a brand new and exciting product, which is the Olaplex No. 5 Leave-In Conditioner. This product has been a little miracle in a bottle and has transformed my hair in just 3 easy steps. We will talk about what the product does and how it works and what it has that gives such good results. You'll learn how to use the leave-in, and we will give you some professional tips for the best possible results so you too can achieve healthy, beautiful, hydrated, and shiny hair. I know it can be confusing to know which Olaplex styling products to use when, so I will also help simplify the difference between them so you can make the best decision for yourself and improve your hair quality. Now let's get started and build a routine that can work for you. So first, you'll want to maintain your hair by using a good quality shampoo and conditioner. To achieve the maximum benefits from the new No. 5 Moisturize and Men Leave-In Conditioner, start by using the No. 4 shampoo and then follow up with the No. 5 conditioner by Olaplex. This is going to give you a nice cleansing and hydrating routine, and you can use them both every time you wash your hair. They are going to nourish, strengthen, and repair your hair. Then the next step is to protect your hair in between your wash days. This is where the new leave-in comes into play. Use 1 to 2 pumps on clean damp hair and then comb through to ensure even coverage of the leave-in throughout all of your hair. Add more pumps as needed. If you have fine hair, it is recommended to start with 1 pump, and then you can also add more if needed. The No. 5 leave-in conditioner is best suited for someone who has dry hair and is looking for a product to add moisture to the hair. It's also good to use for protection prior to styling your hair, as it has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What's unique about this product is that it contains a high adhesion sealing complex, which provides instant and long-term benefits that seal the hair cuticle to resist washing, combing, and heat. With this sealing complex, it will immediately and continuously seal your split ends. It's not going to build up on the hair, but it is recommended to start with 1 to 2 pumps and add more as needed to prevent overuse of the formula. If you use a clarifying shampoo like the No. 4C, then the ingredients from the No. 5 leave-in conditioner will wash out. You can also use the leave-in conditioner on dry hair. If you have very dry and damaged ends with split ends, then you can apply 1 pump in a smoothing motion to maintain the health of your ends in between your wash days. There are no silicones in the leave-in. Take a look at the instant difference in my hair. Notice how much softer and hydrated my hair became. The leave-in did an excellent job at sealing my hair cuticles. Now take a look here. Notice how easily and quickly the comb glides through the section of hair where the leave-in is applied. Also notice how much more moisturized my hair is. Now take a look at the other side and notice the visible difference in the hair quality overall. And see how difficult it is to comb the hair through and how much friction there is in comparison to the hair where the leave-in was applied. This leave-in also contains a hydramino replenishing blend, which is basically a combination of amino acids and hydrating ingredients which provide hydration, conditioning, detangling, and shine. This blend provides the building blocks needed for healthy hair structure and resilience. It also obviously contains Olaplex's patented bond building technology, which is a molecule that relinks the disulfide bonds that give hair its strength and structure. So this leave-in is good for you if you have any type of dry hair, damaged, or chemically treated hair, as it's going to improve your hair's moisture retention, strength, and overall health. It's also safe to use on color-treated hair, as it's going to protect the color. Here's a list of the ingredients. You can always pause the video and review them if you are interested to know more. So now let's quickly go over some of Olaplex's other products so you know the difference between them and when to use which product. No. 8 is a mask, which is an intense moisture treatment. You can alternate it with a conditioner and use it after the shampoo 1 to 2 times per week or as often as needed. The mask is meant to be washed out. Next, we have No. 9, which is a priming serum, which is for damage, dullness, and lack of definition. It offers style memory as well as pollution and heat protection. You can use it after washing your hair, but before other styling products. Then you have No. 6, which is a leave-in styling treatment, and it's meant for hair that is prone to frizz and flyaways. It offers 72-hour frizz control, and it's going to smooth, define, and hydrate your hair. It can be used daily on damp or dry hair. And then there's No. 7, which is the reparative styling oil, which is for dull and dry hair that is in need of shine, softness, and heat protection. So for instance, if you are building a hydrating routine, you can wash with 4 and 5 and then use the leave-in and follow up with the oil to accentuate the shine in your hair. Although in this video we did not use the oil and my hair was still super shiny just from the 3 products we used. If you have curly hair, you can start with washing with 4 and 5 and then using the number 9 primer and following up with a leave-in and then finishing with number 7, which is the oil. If you are using the volumizing blow dry mist, then apply it after the leave-in. Some of Olaplex's key claims is that the leave-in is proven to repair cuticle surface damage after 1 use, revives hair health leaving it softer, hydrated, and healthier looking, 12 times more moisture after 1 use, and up to 88% split end sealing after 1 use. I would say based on my experience with this product, it definitely lived up to all of these claims, and I was really impressed with how well my hair responded to this product and revived my hair since it was feeling dehydrated. If you're looking for a product that is going to hydrate, soften, detangle, and seal split ends, and you want something that will continue to repair and protect your hair from future damage in between your wash days, then this product can be for you. Let us know your thoughts about the leave-in the comments below, and we will see you again soon.